Hi everyone! Paper, scissors and magic is here! And for this video, we are gonna make Wednesday and Enid. Let's start! First, we're gonna get rid of all the hair, just cutting them like this, as short as possible. This looks pretty good. And you can totally skip the next part, it just makes the future work easier. Okay, rainbow is gonna be in it. Mixing white and yellow and a bit of orange and painting the entire pony with 2 layers. Nice and smooth. Good! Now we are ready to paint the eyes, starting with white and then a bit of black for pupils. This is probably the most complicated part of any custom. Enid has bright blue eyes, and I think this color works good. Then drawing eyelashes. And done. So let's look at her outfit. It's a colorful sweater, and I'm gonna make it using air dry clay. I'm a bit nervous about this part. I have to be really careful attaching the sleeves and other parts of the sweater. Bit by bit, I'm going through it, smoothing everything out with water. Adding details and also trying to make some texture that it actually looks like a sweater. Here we go! You know what? I really like it! Fun part! I love how joyful and colorful this sweater is, so I'm trying to use the brightest colors I have. This is probably my favorite part, just going crazy with different colors. decided to paint little hearts. No reason, just because I think it's cute. Time for making hair and tail. I'm forming and attaching the snaky shapes, smoothing every piece out, making sure it looks good together. And it does look good. I love it. Then I'm making a tail out of clay. I'm painting the hair and the tail white. This takes a couple of layers. And then started with very pale blue. I'm trying to build gradient using different color intensity. Same for the other side, only it's gonna be pink this time. Enid is ready to see the world. Let's turn Pinky into Wednesday. I'm mixing white and tiny weeny drop of black to get very pale gray and covering the whole body with it. Two coats are enough. Then I'm painting the eyes using black, white and brown paint. Looks really nice. Time for the outfit. First, I'm making a skirt. Let's try it out. Then I'm attaching the sleeves and the jacket parts. Now we need a lot of black paint. I'm painting the skirt, the jacket parts, and then I'm applying a bit of gray paint to make the skirt look more realistic. Then I'm painting different parts of the outfit gray and black and adding stripes. I'm painting the shoes on the hind hooves and the knee socks. It takes a while. Just make pigtails out of 3 thin spaghetti shapes like this. Then I'm forming a pen, smoothing everything out and bringing together. Then I'm painting the hairstyle deep dark blue, that deep that it looks almost black. And I forgot to film how I made the tail, so this is the part of painting it. Adding some light spots on the hair and tail. The last detail. And done! I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any ideas about future customs, let me know in a comment section. Goodbye, see you soon!